Hey, this is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a 2022 Forest River Cardinal Limited. This is a 366 DVLE. What's awesome about this fifth wheel is it's going to feature 3 slides. It's going to have an outside kitchen, double sinks in your master bathroom. Weight-wise, it's going to come in just over 12.5, so 12,539 on a dry weight. Your total length on the unit is going to come in as far as like from very tip to the back is 41 foot 4 inches total length. So just to give you an idea on that. Cardinal's been a really good option for full-timers. It's going to be a step up in your quality, solid surface countertops, undermount sink, massage, theater seating. Just overall fit and finish. They've got the nice no carpet in the slide outs. It's like more like a weather mat material, so you don't have to worry about it fraying over time. It's easier to sweep up and everything. This model does feature, like I said, 3 slide outs, and you're going to have an island kitchen, front master bedroom with a stackable washer and dryer option as well. So. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a 2022 Forest River Cardinal Limited. This is a 366 DVLE. It's going to feature 3 slide outs. You're going to have a rear living, front bedroom, big bathroom with double bowl sinks, which we'll see when we get in there. Let's just start on the outside. First off, you've got a big power awning, huge basement storage, right? So you've got a ton of storage here. I mean, you can almost utilize that for another, I call it the doghouse when you get in trouble, right? So, and then they've got the Underbelly technology. So all closed underbelly, individual panels, makes it easy to be able to drop those down, get to certain spots without having to rip the whole underbelly. Also has the extended season camping, right? So there's a vacuum bonded, block foam insulation. So you can basically full-time use the unit and everything as well. Solid steps. One thing that they have awesome on their solid steps is a big top step, right? So when you're stepping out, they make that longer or wider, so you don't. It's just a lot more convenient. You don't have to worry about falling easier and stuff as well. As we come down, you've got another power awning. So this features 2 power awnings on the side of the coach. You've got your 2 outside speakers, your outlets. You can take your TV from the outside to the inside, hang in, and plug right in there as well. Okay, and then as you keep coming down the slide here, you've got your outside kitchen. So you've got a nice material that's not going to crack on you. 2 cabinets, and then you've got your outside refrigerator. There is a spray port right here, so that comes with your little hose if you want to spray things off. You still can utilize your water, and you still got prep space as well. As we come to the back of the coach, you're going to notice that we've got your spot for your griddle, so you can put a griddle right there. 2-inch receiver on the back, and then you also has your backup camera prep as well. Okay, moving to the inside of the unit. Right when we walk in, you've got your awesome kitchen, right? So you've got your double doors up top, your middle fridge and freezer. So you got a huge residential refrigerator, solid surface countertop, large microwave. So you've got a residential microwave, 3-burner cooktop, blue LED lighting. Get your nicer cabinets. Plenty of storage. I love the lighting they put on your island right here. They do like a black stainless steel, undermount stainless steel sink. Ton of cabinet space, big pantry. So you've got a really nice sized pantry. That'd be a really good spot to put your trash can. Get that up and out of the way. It's a taller spot there. As we come to the back here, you're going to notice you've got dual theater seating. Blue LED lights. It has massage on it as well. Directly behind me, you've got your trifold sofa. Comes out to a double bed. They have utilized more storage up top here with more cabinet space. They do use the nicer blinds in here, the roller shade blinds. As we come over to here, you're going to notice you got your fireplace. This is the new material I've been telling a lot of people about, that instead of using a carpet, it's like a marine grade matting, right? So it's a lot easier to sweep up. It's not going to shag up and have a lot of traffic like your typical carpet's going to have as well. One awesome thing about this too, I was just looking at, is you've got a huge different storage. So look at all of this storage. What's awesome is, I'm going to swing right by you, stay right there. You can utilize that storage from behind your dinette as well. It's really cool. It's just one thing I really like that they do. A lot of guys will have a little bit of storage, but they really utilize that space. And then that just slaps right back down, pops right in place. Got a place here, so if you got, you know, game consoles or anything, you know, you can utilize all that right there. As you're coming down there, you're going to notice you get your freestanding dinette with a leaf that flips up. So you got 4 chairs, leaf comes up, so you got extra countertop space there. Again, you got your storage to the back side of the TV, more shades, and then obviously those will come up and you can look out there as well. As we come down a little bit farther, more storage. So they got more counter space here, more cabinet space, and then another pantry, right? So really you've got 2 pantries in this particular model. That's always a big plus, especially when you're staying a lot, you know, being in your fifth wheel a lot. Full-timers, people are staying in them down in Florida or down south, getting out of the cold weather. So next we'll move up top and we'll take a look at the front bathroom and bedroom. Moving into the bathroom, one thing that's really cool is, look at this. You've got 2 sinks, right? His and her sinks, plenty of cabinet storage down below, toilet, plenty of leg room, and then a monster shower. You know, you've got a seat in there. They give you a skylight to give you extra head clearance. Just a really, really big bathroom on not you know, it doesn't feel like you're losing a lot of your space like a lot of them do. So next we'll move up to the master bedroom. Okay, moving up to the last part of the unit, this is our master bedroom, right? So this does have the king bed. Awesome backlighting on your headboard there. You got 2 windows on each side. Then as you come up, you've got a big storage up front. This does have nice lighting in here, and then you can do a stackable washer dryer up here. You've got more cabinets here, and then you've got another spot where you can put a TV as well. This does have 2 ACs, so you'll be able to keep yourself plenty cool. Just an awesome little unit as far as, you know, utilizing full-time use and traveling a lot. Again, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers here in Lakeview, Ohio. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. My direct phone number is 937-843-4380. I'd love to go over any questions you have. I've been here for going on 18 years now, so I'd love to go over, you know, what makes us different with our nationwide service and warranty. We also always have really, really good deals. We can get you taken care of anywhere in the country. And if this particular floor plan didn't work for you, I'd love to help you find something else. So thanks for checking us out today. Like us on Facebook, subscribe. We'd love to keep sending out more content to you. Thank you.